Imagine a world where artists have a new kind of brush. This brush is unlike any other, not made of bristles or wood, but of algorithms and data points. It's a brush that can paint with the colors of information, creating art that is both beautiful and insightful. This brush doesn't use paint, it uses data. Data that can be transformed into stunning visualizations, intricate patterns, and dynamic compositions. The possibilities are endless, limited only by the imagination of the artist. It's called artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is a powerful tool that can analyze vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and generate creative outputs that can inspire and enhance human creativity. AI is changing how we make art. It's opening up new avenues for artistic expression, allowing artists to experiment with forms and techniques that were previously unimaginable. AI tools can create images, compose music, and even write stories. These tools can assist artists in their creative process, providing new perspectives and ideas that can lead to groundbreaking works of art. But they don't replace artists. Instead, they augment the artist's abilities, offering new ways to explore and express their creativity. The artist remains at the heart of the creative process, guiding and shaping the final outcome. Instead, they give artists new ways to express themselves. With AI, artists can blend traditional techniques with digital innovation, creating works that are rich in texture and depth. Think of AI as a partner in creativity, a collaborator that can offer suggestions, generate ideas, and help bring the artist's vision to life in ways that were never before possible. Together, humans and AI can make amazing things. The fusion of human intuition and machine intelligence can lead to the creation of art that is both innovative and deeply meaningful. This isn't about robots taking over, it's about enhancing human creativity, providing artists with new tools and techniques to explore their craft. It's about humans and machines working together, collaborating to push the boundaries of what's possible in art and to create works that resonate on a deeper level. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible in art, exploring new frontiers and discovering new forms of expression that can inspire and captivate audiences. Welcome to the world of AI and artistry, a world where technology and creativity intersect, offering endless possibilities for innovation and expression. A world full of possibilities. Let's explore it together. Let's embrace the future of art where human creativity and artificial intelligence come together to create something truly extraordinary. One exciting area where AI is making waves is visual art. AI tools can now generate images from text prompts. You type in what you want to see and the AI creates it. These AI-generated images are not just copies of existing art, they are unique creations. They can be beautiful, strange, and thought-provoking. Some artists use these images as starting points for their own work. They add their own style and vision to the AI's creations. Others collaborate with AI to create something entirely new. It's a dance between human and machine, each pushing the other to new heights. Sometimes artists hit a wall. They need fresh ideas. It's a common struggle, whether you're a painter, writer, or musician. The creative process can be both exhilarating and exhausting. When inspiration runs dry, it can feel like you're stuck in a never-ending loop of frustration. But what if there was a way to break free from this cycle? What if technology could lend a helping hand in sparking creativity? This is where AI can be a powerful muse. Imagine having a tool that can generate endless possibilities, offering new perspectives and ideas that you might never have considered. AI can serve as a collaborator, providing a fresh set of eyes and a different way of thinking. It's like having a creative partner who never gets tired and is always ready to brainstorm. AI tools can analyze vast amounts of data. They can sift through countless images, texts, and sounds to find patterns and connections that might not be immediately obvious. This ability to process and analyze information at lightning speed can uncover hidden gems of inspiration. It's like having a supercharged research assistant who can dig deep into the archives of creativity. They can identify patterns and connections that humans might miss. By recognizing these subtle links, AI can suggest new directions and approaches that can breathe new life into a project. It's like having a mentor who can see the bigger picture and guide you towards uncharted territories. This ability makes them great at suggesting new artistic directions. Whether it's a new color palette, a different composition, or an entirely new concept, AI can provide the spark that ignites a creative breakthrough. It's like having a treasure map that leads you to hidden artistic treasures. Imagine an artist struggling with a painting. They've been staring at the canvas for hours, unsure of what to do next. The frustration is palpable and the creative block seems insurmountable. But with the help of AI, this artist can find a way forward. They could describe their vision to an AI tool. By inputting their ideas and preferences, the artist can collaborate with the AI to generate new concepts and possibilities. It's like having a conversation with a creative confidant who understands your vision and can help bring it to life. The AI could then generate a series of images based on that description. These images can serve as a starting point, offering new angles and perspectives that the artist might not have considered. It's like having a gallery of inspiration at your fingertips, ready to spark new ideas. These images might inspire the artist to approach their work in a new way. The fresh perspectives can reignite their passion and drive, leading to a renewed sense of purpose and creativity. It's like finding a new path in a dense forest where every turn reveals something exciting and unexpected. AI can help artists break free from their creative ruts by offering new ideas and perspectives. It can transform the creative process into an exciting journey of discovery. It's like having a compass that always points towards creativity, guiding you through the ups and downs of artistic expression. It can open their minds to new possibilities. By challenging conventional thinking and pushing the boundaries of creativity, AI can help artists explore new horizons. It's like having a key that unlocks the door to a world of endless artistic potential. This can lead to more innovative and exciting art. By embracing the possibilities offered by AI, artists can create works that are not only unique but also groundbreaking. It's like embarking on a creative adventure where the destination is always something extraordinary. AI's impact on artistry isn't limited to visual arts, it's also changing the world of music. AI tools can now compose original pieces in different styles. They can even mimic the sound of specific composers. Musicians are using these tools in fascinating ways. Some use AI-generated melodies as inspiration for their own songs. Others collaborate with AI to create entirely new musical experiences. AI is also making its mark in literature, film, and even dance. The possibilities are endless. Section 5: Collaborative Creation, a symphony of art and AI. In this section, we delve into the fascinating world where human creativity meets artificial intelligence. This is not just a technological advancement, it's a revolution in the way we perceive and create art. The real magic happens when artists embrace AI as a creative partner. By integrating AI into their creative process, artists can push the boundaries of their imagination and explore new artistic territories that were previously unimaginable. It's not about replacing human creativity, it's about enhancing it. AI can offer suggestions, generate ideas, and even help in executing complex designs. But the core vision and emotional depth still come from the human artist. It's about two distinct creative forces coming together. The synergy between human intuition and AI's computational power can lead to groundbreaking works of art that neither could achieve alone. Imagine an artist and an AI tool working together on a sculpture. The artist brings their unique perspective, while the AI offers innovative solutions and optimizations. The artist might have a rough idea in mind. They start with a sketch, a basic concept that captures the essence of their vision. They can then use the AI tool to explore different forms and materials. The AI can simulate various possibilities, allowing the artist to experiment without the constraints of physical materials. The AI can generate three-dimensional models based on the artist's input. These models can be rotated, scaled, and modified in real time, providing a dynamic canvas for the artist's creativity. The artist can then refine these models, adding their own artistic touch. They can tweak the details, adjust the proportions, and infuse their personal style into the final piece. It's a true collaboration, each partner contributing to the final masterpiece. This harmonious blend of human creativity and AI innovation is paving the way for a new era in the art world, where the possibilities are as limitless as the imagination itself. Section 6: The Human Touch. Why AI won't replace artists. Some people worry that AI will replace artists altogether, but this fear misses a crucial point. Art is about more than just technical skill. It's about expressing human emotions, ideas, and experiences. AI can create technically impressive works, but it can't replicate the depth and nuance of human creativity. It lacks the lived experiences, the emotions, and the unique perspective that make art truly meaningful. Artists bring something irreplaceable to the table. They bring their humanity. Section 7. Expanding Horizons AI for All. The beauty of AI is that it's not just for professional artists. AI tools are becoming increasingly accessible to everyone. This means anyone can explore their creative potential regardless of their skill level. Imagine a child using an AI app to create their own storybook, or a retiree discovering a passion for digital painting with the help of AI. AI has the power to democratize art, making it accessible to everyone. This widespread adoption of AI in creative fields is exciting. It has the potential to unlock a new wave of artistic expression. Section 8. The Ethical Palette. Navigating the future of AI and art. As with any new technology, there are ethical considerations surrounding AI and art. Who owns the copyright to AI-generated art? How do we prevent AI from being used to create harmful or misleading content? These are complex questions that require careful consideration. It's crucial that we develop ethical guidelines for using AI in art. We need to ensure that AI is used responsibly and ethically. Open discussions and collaboration between artists, AI developers, and policymakers are essential. By working together, we can navigate these challenges and shape a future where AI enriches the world of art. Section 9. A World of Wonder. The fusion of AI and artistry is still in its early stages, but it's clear that this partnership has the potential to revolutionize how we create and experience art. Imagine a world where AI helps us push the boundaries of creative expression. A world where anyone can be an artist, regardless of their background or skill level. A world where art becomes even more powerful, moving, and thought-provoking. This is the future that AI and artistry can create together, a future filled with wonder, creativity, and endless possibilities. Let's embrace it.